What's up, everyone? I'm Bill. I'm with Cali TV. We're back at Buttonwillow. I'm super excited. We're going to be out on the trusty MT for our first session of the day. Beautiful day, absolutely beautiful day. We just had a great morning. So we're going to head out and we're going to do a little patrolling, maybe pick up somebody for the coach. But you guys, you're in a treat. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Later today, I'm going to be test riding. Those R1s. I'm going to be test riding a V4R today on a customer review. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, but let's get out on track and let's see what we can find out there today. What's up, everyone? We're back on the trusty MT. Our first session of the day, heading out with Bogda. She's in her tutu today. R3 got some new stripes to match the suit. So we got a few pinks on there. She's got a few pinks on her helmet too, I think. All right. It's hot today, guys. All right. So let's get into our modes. Let's go A mode, traction control 1. Just my mirrors. Oh, this needs to go. Oh, that's got to be tightened. This is gonna fold in on me, but it's okay. What's up, everybody? All right, let's roll. First C group session of the day. At lunch, I can't wait. I'm super excited for our customer bike review today. Ducati V4R by the madman himself. Jerry, you're crazy, man. Absolutely crazy, Jerry. All right, let's see what the day takes us. Thank you. And away we go. There it is right there. Oh, you guys, what have I gotten myself into? What have I gotten myself into? All right, keep to the right. I got some people behind me. So we're running the race 13 course. Last track day you saw us go straight through, but today we're heading through the sweeper. So we like to change up the configuration just a little bit. Give some people some challenge, man. So we're running counterclockwise race 13 with the A section. So a little bit different, nothing major. So, getting some heat in these tires. Now it's warm out, guys. We're already, I think, in the 90s. I think we're going to be at 95 today. So, a session into this thing, we should be pretty well heated up. And we should be pretty good. So, we are running the bus stop. This is called the bus stop. And back up to the backside here. Cotton corner. And then we're running the A section. So sometimes most people go that way. We're taking the back A section. I like this A section because it really takes us on a kind of a little bit of a sweeper through that bump, and it shoots us out a little bit better for that exit right there. And then now we've got this entry here, and we've got our photographer out, so we should get some good photos there of us. And then back down the straight. And I would say right now our tires are nice and warm, so we can start getting into it a little bit more. I'm always coming out and I'm always watching guys. This guy's riding pretty well. He's got decent body position. He's got okay pace for the C group, so leave him be. And into our sweeper. So what a great week, man. We've been busy. Me and Bogna, we've been running like crazy this last week. We were just here 2 weeks ago. I don't think you guys have even seen all of the videos that we've done from the last time we were here. So, well, by now you have, but as far as date-wise. And then the week after, me and Bogna, we actually went to LA. I had some work down there for the week. So we took the Beast, the motor coach, down there, and we stayed down on the beach. We love our little Dockweiler. So we stayed down there for the week, and then we got home, and then it's just absolutely crazy when we got home. And so we got a week to get prepared again to come back out here. So it's just it's been one of those weeks. And then I don't know if you saw at the beginning of the video, yes, that was the Super Beast in front of us. The F-250's down. And so tonight, me and Bogner are heading in different directions. I actually have to go back to LA for work. And Bogner's heading home because she's got to go to work tomorrow. So we're going in separate directions. And then July 1st, we are back at Thunder Hill. Yes. I miss Thunder Hill. I really miss Thunder Hill. I'm glad that we're heading back there. So what we're gonna do is try to get past some of these guys down the straight. We've got a little bit of horsepower. So I'm gonna try to we go. How was that, guys? All right, and we're back on our way. So we're gonna be back at Thunder Hill, and if you guys are coming out to Thunder Hill, boy oh boy, am I gonna have a surprise for you. The S1000RR is expected to be here by then. So I'm super excited. I got some unfortunate news. I put my deposit down in October. And we thought I was going to be the first person to get one. And when they were going back through their books, someone last July, a year ago, put a deposit down at A&S, and the guy is patiently awaiting like me. So apparently BMW is releasing one S1000 M package to each of the dealers across the United States this coming Friday. So we are going to be there for the unboxing of his bike. It's unfortunate because I thought it was going to be my bike, but apparently my bike is on its way, so we're going to be we're second up. So hopefully July 1st, the S1000RR 2020 will be making its debut. I can't wait. I will not ride anything at that track day but that S1000RR. I'm not even going to take another bike. day, guys. All right, let's see what kind of picture we can get. $120 on the MT. I'm not sure about the brakes. I could probably brake them much later. But yeah, man, it's been so great. At our event today, motorcycle.com's here. They've got a new rider out going through our new rider school. So that's great. He's been doing one-on-one with Dave Leamer. If you guys don't know, we offer for $100 your track day. For $100, it includes free one-on-one coaching. Free one-on-one coaching. We don't charge you another $100 for coaching. Dave Leamer's class, yeah, it's also free. We do not charge you $100 to take a new rider's school. We want you guys to come out for $100 and get everything and more that anybody else would offer you. In the morning, you guys want coffee and pastries? We got them for, guess how much? It's free. $100 gets you free one-on-one coaching, gets you your track day, it gets you free coffee and donuts. But you say, you know, Bill, I don't have gear, and I'm not sure if I want to invest in a one-piece suit or leathers, because what if the track day is not for me? You get signed up for our C group and email us. We have a bunch of loaner gear. We have boots, we have gloves. You bring a helmet and we can pretty much outfit you in everything else you need to come and do your track day. Yes, free leather loaners. So wait a minute. So for $100, you get your track day, you get free donuts, pastries, you get free one-on-one coaching, you get free classroom for $100? Look, people ask why. Why only $100? What are you trying to do, Bill? I want you guys to come out here and make it affordable for you guys to come and learn off the track. Look, the fact is this sport is dying. There isn't anybody out there that can say that this sport is doing well. We have a 4-time champion, Josh Hayes, which, by the way, if you didn't notice, I got to give some shout outs real quick, because Josh Hayes and Melissa Paris, if you guys are watching this, dude, I'm a big fan. They call me a fanboy, but I've met Josh a couple times, but I can't wait to sit down and do a one-on-one with him. But Tony and Corey, some of our good friends, instructors here, just spent the weekend with them at Road America as their pit crew. And this morning in the riders meeting, I got an autographed hat. Oh boy, I'm giddy. I got an autographed hat from Josh Hayes. 4-time champion, couldn't find sponsorship, or is having a hard time finding sponsorship. So this sport is dying. And I want you guys to understand that this can be a very, very safe environment. This is the best environment to be on. It's safe. You know, I just want you guys to be out here having a good time. So that's why we do $100. And that's why we offer the classes. Free water and Gatorade. We want to keep you hydrated. That's what it's all about, guys. That's why we're here doing what we're doing, because we want to make sure that you guys not only have a great, amazing time, but we want to make sure that it's affordable. because I think that there's a lot of people out there that don't think that they can afford to come to the track day. Look, we're on road tires, not street tires on this bike. We're on road 5s on the MT-09. You guys, outside of having a good running mechanical bike, there isn't much more that you need to do to come to our track day. We'll offer almost everything else that you need. So what excuse do you guys have, you know? It's lovely, and that's what we're out here trying to do. We're just trying to make good day, have fun, just be amazing, just be absolutely amazing. So guys, thank you guys for your support. You know, everybody that subscribes, thank you guys. We've been moving on up on subscribers. Tell your friends about the channel. You know, if you guys like anything on 2 wheels, make sure you subscribe. So we're having a great day. And then there's Tony. She was just there at Moto America. They just flew in at like midnight last night. It was absolutely crazy, and they drove here from San Francisco. So thank you guys, props to you guys. And Melissa and Josh, congrats this weekend. It's a great opening weekend for the pair of you. But we're gonna end it now. I'm gonna actually head out on another session, so let's see what we can't find on the next video. But make sure you smash that subscribe button and smash that like button, and throw us a comment down below. What do you got down below? What do you guys want to see? Huh? Anyways, we'll see you guys next video. Thanks for staying tuned. See you guys then.